Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I'm really excited because I received a package today. Now, this isn't a sponsored video. This is just something I'm excited about and I've been waiting for months for. I entered a contest like several months ago, and my prize has arrived. So I was so excited to win this. I kind of remember what's in here, but not completely. And I'm a little bit worried because if some of you might have seen, I made a community post about it arriving. And in doing that, just before I did that, I dropped it on the floor. It didn't sound like anything broke. It feels like it's packaged really well. So hopefully nothing's broken in here. But I'm excited to open it up and find out. So this is from Stem's Flower Farm. This is a flower farm in Ontario, Canada. And a lot of cut flower growers like to purchase their product, and a lot of just hobby gardeners like myself, I guess, because I've also ordered from them. This will be my first year ordering from them. It wasn't necessary for the contest, just I wanted to try them out, and in doing that I found the contest. So they grow cut flowers. I think they have a few vegetable seeds on there as well, and it's all online, so I'll leave the link for them in the description. Like I said, it's not sponsored, but you know, it's a Canadian company and I like to support them. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Hopefully nothing's broken. Nice little card in here. Just congratulating me, I guess. It's very pretty with the family. It's a family-run business, so a little family photo on there. Everything's packaged. Can you see that? Everything's been tied up like little gifts. Isn't that sweet? So let's set these out here. Oh, good. The one thing that I knew was breakable, I think I know what it is. It doesn't feel broken. So isn't that sweet how they packaged that up? Just that little detail. Now I have to try and open it. I think I brought that knife. So they like to use local businesses, support local businesses, and this prize was all about supporting local businesses. Some prizes are from their own business and some are from businesses nearby them that they like and want to support, products that they've found along their travels. So this was a loose tea blend from the Clearview Tea Company. I think I have that right, yeah. So I'll see if they have a link. I'll put that in the description as well, so you can check it out. That's gonna be fun to try that out, especially all these cold days. It's so nice to have a nice cozy mug of tea. And this is a candle in an old cut-off wine bottle. So Cork and Bottle Candle Company, Incorporated. And so they reuse wine bottles, and I believe these are all beeswax candles. Oh, that smells wonderful. So this flavor is Floral Bouquet, and it has these big corks. So it's kind of cute, you know, bringing the wine bottle together with the presentation there. That's sweet. I don't want that to fall and get broken. They tie these well. And this was a mug. So, trying to see the brand. You can see that. I love this mug. I saw it in the description of the prizes. Can you see the hummingbird on there? So Life is Good. I'm not sure if that's the company. Yeah, lifeisgood.com. And it says 10% for kids in need. So I'm guessing 10% of the purchase of their products goes to Kids for Need. I'm not sure. So like I said, I'll try and find links for these companies and put them down below too. These are all new companies to me. I haven't tried them, so these aren't recommendations. They're just, you know, companies that I've come across here in this prize. So if you're interested in these things and you want to check them out and research them yourself, you can do that. I'll do my best to find that for you. So that's really exciting to get that. I just wanted to show you this little package that I got, you know, just from a somewhat local, you know, it's a Canadian retailer, and I just thought it would be fun to see the things that they pulled together from other Canadian retailers that they thought gardeners would enjoy. So some nice fresh loose tea, beautiful tea mug, and this candle that has just a gorgeous floral scent to it. So I'm going to really enjoy these as I wait out the rest of winter and get my seed sowing started here soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.